So I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in knee, shoulder and hip surgeries. I have an experience of almost about 20 years. I started my career in orthopedics at Sinai Hospital in 2001, followed by which I started my practice in 2008 after multiple fellowships. I'm currently now practicing as a knee, shoulder and hip surgeon in Beach Candy Hospital, Sekpi Hospital and in Dujakar Hospital. I have my own clinic at Gamderi. It's called as the Oaks Clinic, and I'm here most of the days of the week.